what's up? Today we have another Stitchfix unboxing for you. Thanks to the referrals, the 2 people that signed up for Stitchfix, I got a credit. My referral code is below. If you don't know about Stitchfix, it is a $20 a month subscription fee, and with my referral code, you'll have that subscription waived, that $20 for your first fix. So go click that link below and get your first fix, and they'll waive that $20. If you don't like anything, you just send it right back. If you do, then you just pay for the item. If you keep all 5, you get 25% off. And so let's get to the box. Here's the box. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what's in here. So let's see. So what you get in the box is your paperwork, and next is your return package. Whatever you don't want, you send back in this little bin here and send it via the postal service, drop it off at the post office. And here is my bundle. So looks like, ooh, that might be a jean jacket. But here's the other side. So looks really cute. So let's get into it. If you want to keep watching, let's get to it. Wrap the bundle. And before I look, let's see if my stylist is still Kimberly. I'm not actually going to look at the prices or anything like that. So, yep, it's still Kimberly. I'll read that after. And then here is your price sheet. So I'll leave the prices and the items in the video so you can see everything. So the first item, let's see here, is a cute top. Has little yellow, and I love navy, so it's really cute. So let's see the item, what it is. It's Skies Are Blue, Seder Contrast Trim Knit Top, Navy Extra Small. It's kind of cute. Okay, next item. Oh, this color's really pretty. So here's the top. It's like a lilac color, and that's really pretty on the top here. And it has a tie on the back, like the bow. And let's see what this is. So this is Q&A necktie detail blouse, light purple in an extra small. Very cute. Next item. Oh, I've seen a ton of people get this. Maybe, possibly. It looks like it is a off-the-shoulder type of sweater, kind of short, but really cute. Let's see what it is. It is the Sophie and Roe off-the-shoulder pullover, gray, extra small. Okay. Oh my God, there's shorts in here. Alrighty. These are shorts. I thought it was a top. So here are the shorts. They have pineapples on them. Oh my gosh, love pineapples. Let's see what these are. They are a tinsel print short, light pink, size 0. So they're really cute. So we'll try those on. And this is really nice. I really wanted a new jean jacket. She must be in my head here. So this is the jean jacket. It's really cute. And let's see here. Unpublished Edith stretch denim jacket, extra small. So let's go through the prices and see how much everything is. So the off-the-shoulder gray sweater was $42. This one here, not bad. The Skies Are Blue top, this one here, in navy extra small was $44. The denim jacket, $78. The detailed light purple blouse, $58. And the shorts were $38. So if I bought everything, it was $260. If I buy everything, it's a $65 discount. And I have other credits, which are $30. Thanks to you guys. Appreciate it. Plus my styling fee. It's another $20 off. So my total for everything would be $145. So I'm going to try everything on for you guys, and stay tuned. So here are the shorts. They're a little bit big here in the waist. They're really long. I usually wear shorts that come more up to like here. I probably could cut these if I wanted to, or fold them like this, or get them hemmed. But they're kind of cute. Just a little bit big back here too. Hey guys, so I threw the jean jacket on. Let me pull you down a little bit. It's really cute. I have it paired with the top I wore to work today. And the shorts, I just pulled the shorts up a little bit since they were a little bit too long for me. I probably can get them hemmed at the dry cleaners. But here it is. It's really cute. It's actually so soft. I love it. But yeah, here it is. Here is the top, the gray top here. It's really cute. It fits very nice in the back. There we go. I'm not sure, but I don't wear a lot of like off the shoulder, so I don't really know how to wear this. I mean, I could wear it like this. It has a picture of how to wear it, but it's kind of awkward. So I'm not sure about this. So we'll see. So here's the next top. It's the lilac top. You'd have to wear it with like a strapless bra because it cuts very close here. But I'm loving this color. It fits really nice, and the back is really cool with the tie. It's really cute. I really like it. It's not something I would like go to the store and buy. So I was wondering maybe if I could throw that jean jacket on with it, and maybe some black like jeans. So let's try it. Yeah, I mean I could do that, but it is kind of like a turtle. Then it looks like a turtleneck. But yeah, I mean that's really cute. So I'm not sure. Okay, so here's the next top. Here it is. It's kind of cute. It fits really nice. The only thing is you could see through. See this? Like right here. You could see through it on the top. But otherwise, I think it's really cute. It's different. Let's see what it looks like with the jean jacket on. So, let's see. Pair with a pair of black jeans again. This is actually a really cute outfit. This looks really nice. Let's see. What do you guys think? I like the little accent of yellow. But you can pop the collar a little bit on this. But yeah, this jean jacket is awesome. So that's my Stitchfix. Let me know what you guys think. This box was actually really awesome. The only thing I'm kind of like not liking was the top that was off the shoulder and the shorts. So I'm kind of leaning just buying this and this, but $78 plus, let's see here, $78 for the top, and this top was $44, so that's, you know, 110 something, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I decide to keep. Let me know down below. And I really like this top with this jean jacket. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings. I do Wantables, Trunk Club, Stitchfix, TRENDSEND. So just keep watching and look for further videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Bye.